Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome my students in a new lesson with Python. In this video, inshallah, we talk about the if statement. In this video, we explain how to use the if statement to display student grades, for example. But at first, what is the first case for if statement? How to write the if statement syntax? Okay, now use if statement. If, then here I write the condition, okay, then apply the code. How? For example, I give you example now. If I enter number, for example, in 1 equal input, then here I said in the message, please enter number. Okay, here /t to take a space. Now here I have to check up this number. If n1 greater than or equal, for example, 90. Okay, then close this by using column, then press enter. That is my condition. Here I write the output. If this condition equal true, I write here, for example, print thanks, excellent, and so on. Okay, now try the code by using the command copy path and go to the black console and write here, remove this result, CLS, and write here the task name, task1.py, for example. At first write py text space. Okay, now enter the number, for example 90. Okay, this error because of I didn't convert from string to integer, because input statement retrieve string, so I have to use here int to convert this statement from string to integer. Okay, now this n1 now have an integer value. Now repeat py task1.py and press enter. Now enter number. It's okay now. He said excellent. If I insert any number less than 90, for example 88, for example, there is nothing, because here I have just one branch. So if the user enter value less than 90, so I have to use else statement and write here a second message as a second branch in this case. So here write, for example, not good. Okay, for example. Okay, now run the file again, py task1.py, enter any number, 70 for example, not good. Now 88, now 89, and so on. But if I add number greater than 90, for example 91, 95, it will excellent. Okay, in this task we learn how to convert from string to integer. We learn how to use the if statement. Case number 1, if this condition equal true, okay, the first message will execute or display on the screen. If the condition not equal true, it will jump to the next statement and print it, not good, as we saw in the example.